Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is, I think, part 2. I'm working on the Toro 1132 here and trying to get it running and driving to flip them. Well, part 1 of the whole series, or part 2, 3, I don't know. Yeah, part 3, including the getting them all. But yeah, so first off today, I'm just going to go ahead and clean these all off and get them all cleared of, you know, the grass and stuff on them. Alright, while cleaning, I found a few things. First of all, the float bowl and the bowl for this engine. So that means somebody took it apart and tried to get it working. So that means at least the engine turned over and all that stuff worked. It just couldn't get the carburetor working. Hopefully that's all. But yeah, also was noticing some things on this deck, which you guys probably saw. This is a dual blade setup. Well, that's a single blade setup. That's a much nicer seat than that one. Electric PTO and all of that. Much better vinyl or newer vinyl and stuff on here. More like a modern Toro. Yep. Alright, here's the tires. And this is probably the best out of the bunch. You see? It's not deflated. Has some things. Here's this one. It's mediocre. That's a tire though. It's pretty good looking. Could use something, but there's that little tire and this bad boy. I think they all hold air. They're not flat. They're the only ones that held air there, really. But yeah, if I need more, I can always, she said I can always come get more before the end of the summer. But yeah, other ones that I can't get on there, obviously that's from a Cub Cadet, but yeah, other ones that I can't work on, get on there, I'll just go ahead and do the ratchet strap trick. Before we go outside and try to see if we can start the lawnmower and stuff, stay to the end of the video because I'm going to re-announce the Super Clean winners, or winner, because last video, the Super Clean winner whiskey, or Super Clean winner did not reply, so I'm going to choose a new Super Clean winner. So stay tuned in the video and I'll announce the new Super Clean winner. Alright, I think it's time to start putting it back together, but time to 100% put it together now. I can't remember if the other side had this plastic stuff there too or not. I don't know. Probably matters, but I don't care. Got all the bolts in and all back together. It's time to fill her up. Wow. Very slowly of the oil. 1 quart, all it takes. Oh, I don't know. I really apologize, guys, but my phone's overheating, and it would just be easier if I would have just did more work than video it all, because it would have been hours more to get to this point with a camera rolling and talking to you guys. But got the transmission in, took like half an hour to get the belt on. Finally got the bolts through for the axle, and mostly this. I hadn't hooked this up yet. Not yet. I didn't do the fun yet, but we're getting close to it. And after I get all of this on, what I would need to do is find new battery cables and stuff, a negative and a positive, and a ground, I guess, because there's a special ground thing. Yeah, it's a special ground cable there. All right. Got it all back together. Just working on trying to get wiring, well, headlights working and stuff. We have all gears, I think. Before we didn't have reverse, but now we do. I had to do some splicing for the wires, but it didn't seem like that got the lights to flick on and off. Check the fuse. Might have to get the voltmeter next to try out and stuff, but I have to go in. I'm exhausted for now, but I really apologize for not filming anything. All right. Now we start it. Don't worry. That's just this stupid little shield thing here. Guess I should do something about it. Alright, here I am taking off the carburetor. It leaks so much fuel and it's not starting. I'm guessing the float bowl is stuck open because it's leaking out of here. Worst case scenario, I'll have to buy a new carburetor. Well, they're pretty cheap, and yeah, but I really don't want to spend a whole bunch of money and not get any at all, because that's all that's been happening lately. Right, better take off this top part of the air filter. Sucky thing is, the other Toro and the Murray, it doesn't have the air filter and air filter housing assembly. So, I can't do nothing with it. Well, of course, there's another bolt here. Should have known from the pictures online. Yeah, definitely a stuck open float bowl. There's a lot of fuel in here. Alright. Now if you can see the greenness of there, but that's inside the carburetor. That's that. It's pretty nasty. Look at that. Not leaking gas so far. And it's on. And there's fluid in the tank. It works! And look at that. The lights work. Jeez. Do you have to be that loud? Probably a mouse nest or something down in there. I'm gonna put that on real quick. Always from having no gears to having all gears, running and driving, big small gear, and always. Alright, after that little test drive, there's a few things that needs. Idle was high. I mean, I just bought a new carburetor, so I'll put a brand new carburetor on this one, and I think I'll put this carburetor on one of the other two, so I don't have to buy one for them and just work on it. I know it's a good carburetor, it just idles high, which I think I just need to adjust that bottom screw, but I just bought a new carburetor. There's good reviews on it. I mean, yeah. Alright, I think I'm done for the motor now. Needs a few things. It needs a battery, a carburetor I just ordered needs to come. And that's basically it. Yeah, maybe an oil change if it's good enough, but I mean, it runs, it drives, it stops, it mows and stuff. I mean, how many mowers out there does that right away? Not much, but yeah, I think it's a pretty good unit. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think I could list it for. I mean, of course, it's going to get a good cleaning on the next episode, but yeah. I mean, I had to take that off because the fancy dancy air filter cleaner kept hitting it and stuff, but yeah. I mean, alright, let's go ahead and go to the hoop shed and announce the new Super Clean winner. Alright, let's go ahead and spin the wheel and see who wins. Alright, I really apologize if I butcher this again, or if I get pronounce it wrong, but the Keeler family, congratulations you guys, you won the giveaway. So all you guys gotta do is email me your shipping address and I forgot what else, but I think that's it, and the zip code and whatever, so I can forward that to Super Clean so you guys can get your Super Clean product. For everybody else, to a video, hey, maybe stick around to the channel. Maybe we'll be doing another Super Clean giveaway. So, yeah, stay tuned on that. Yeah, I mean, it was a pretty good video. I mean, I got that transmission back together. I mean, it made a mess. I need to clean that mower, but, I mean, that what nobody gets. Everybody gets for not buying it. It gets dirty. But, yeah, I won't be cleaning it until I know there's a buyer, but yeah, I really appreciate every one of you guys for watching this video and the series to this lawnmowers and stuff. But picking up tools as I go. But yeah, if you guys really like this these videos, hit that like button because it really shows me you guys want to see more of these and for me to continue doing these. And because yeah, I just spent a bit of money on them, and hopefully I'll get all and plus more money back from them. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment down below what you like about it, and how much you think these are worth and stuff. And yeah, see you next video.